So solving for the tie beam foundation. So this starts when you have finished the concreting works. So what we do is that we'll just put 10 value over here. You can start this work parallelly as well. Let's say that 10 fs minus, so how many days does it take? 4 days. So solely concreting work plus 2 days I'll take, concreting work plus 2 days, so I have to do minus 2 days, right? And PCC for the tie beam, PCC for the tie beam and foundation. Now I'll just take the linear relationship, so I'll just put 11 over here. And after that, brick masonry work. So once you finish the PCC, you do the brick masonry, that is by 12. And reinforcement work of the tie beam, you will do only after the brick masonry is completed. So it's 13. Brick masonry is completed for the certain time, so you will do 13 fs minus, so it take 18 days. Let's say after 5 days of the brick masonry, you start the reinforcement work of the tie beam, which means that you have got 13 fs minus 13 days. So right, so it goes like this. Okay, and so you have to also ensure at the same time that this task doesn't finish before this task. Okay, because these two have finish to start relationship. So formwork for the tie beam, what you can do is that you can start 14 finish to start minus, you can do minus 6 days. So today you have done the reinforcement. Okay, so what you can do is that, so today you put the reinforcement bar, then you put the lateral bars as well, the rings, and it takes you around let's say 3 days, and the total task is 7 day long, so we'll go for minus 4 days, right? So concreting of the tie beam, the same principle applies. And what we do, we just put 15 fs and swell backfilling. So after all the concreting is done, you do the backfilling, so that is why 17. Okay, my mistake, that is why 16. Alright guys, so this is the basic concept of MS Project and how the relationship is developed between different activities in the construction. Alright, so let us see the Gantt chart view over here. So for that, go to the right bottom corner, click on this minus icon, zoom out to 100% zoom, and you can now see that a good relationship is found between different activities over here. Some are like there is no lag or lead, there is no lag, some have got lag. Alright guys, so the substructure part is done. Now we will see how we input the values for the superstructure part.